This is the completed document of the description of my selected course. The first paragraph, as seen right here, is a paragraph that explains why I chose the idea of chemistry and specifically the periodic table and why I thought it would benefit future students who would possibly see this document. And then the second paragraph down at the bottom, right there, is basically what exactly is the periodic table and what the students will learn about the periodic table. Now, the items that are highlighted in blue, such as this sentence here, are sentences that were changed and improved by a girl named Hannah who improved my document, and the ones in yellow were the ones that I improved just because they didn't make sense or they were a little bit confusing, and then this is the last thing that I added in to be more specific.